I'm back in the gradebook and I want to show you how you can actually update cells in the grade table. And so here we are on a student named sample student, and there's a column called demo assignment in quarter 1. And you can see they got 8 points. If you look at the top of that column, you can see it's out of 10. There's some icons to the right of the score. The upper right icon just means the student made a submission. That icon will vary based on the type of assignment. So for most assignments, it's just a little piece of paper if it's a typical assignment. A quiz or discussion has different icons, and you'll see those as we go. Down below that icon, you see the little speech bubble. If you click that, you can see, and the student could see this too, some additional feedback you gave to the student. And so that's helpful. You can see that right in the gradebook. Let's go over to the next column, the discussion. So this was again, you can see the student got 4 points out of 5. You can see that there's an icon showing they did make a post in the discussion. Down below that, there's a speech bubble. Again, there's a comment for this student if we clicked on that. This was an assignment that the teacher just graded, so I could actually highlight that 4 and I could change it to a 3 or a 5, and that's perfectly fine. I should note at this point, the reason there are no icons up above is I just put in scores here for the purposes of this video, and so this student in this row is the only one that actually really went through and did do the work. So let's go ahead to the next column. Here is Chapter 1 Final. Now this one's blank. When I see that the student did make a post, though, or they did turn in an assignment, that tells me it needs to be graded. And so comment, there are no comments there. So let's go up to the top of that column and show you, if you see that happen where they turned it in, but there's nothing there, you can click on the assignment right there from the gradebook. It'll take you right in, and you can see, oh yeah, I need to grade that. So I could click right there, and I could actually grade their work. And it would show up in the gradebook. Let me go back. So let's go to this final column, Quiz 1. So here, that icon to the right with the puzzle piece and the pencil means it was a quiz. The computer graded it. So if I choose to change the score here, watch what happens to that score. Okay, it gave me a little lock. That means I overrode it. I mean, the computer graded it automatically. So if I click on that, I could clear the override and it will go back to the real score as the computer graded it. So there are many different things you can do on this screen in the grade table, and that's a quick overview of how you can update scores or find out more information.